Hello. In this short video, we're going to show you how you can use permalinks when you are using Sage cells and Octave with our linear algebra book. Let me go to the Octave tutorial, section 1.4, components of vectors and matrices. And I'm going to scroll down to this example 3, where they use Octave code to show a step of Gaussian elimination. The code is here, but there's also a link to the code, and if I right-click, I can open that in a new tab, which I will. And so I'll go to the Sage Cell server, and it has the 2 lines of code, and it evaluates them. And suppose I want to take this example a little further. And so I'm going to copy this line, and I understand Gaussian elimination, and I know that now what I need to do is I need to work on the third row. So I'm about to replace the third row of A with the third row minus half of the first row because I see a 1 and a 2. And so I need to change these 2's to 3's. The third row is equal to negative 1/2 times the first row plus the third row. I'll press evaluate. Now I have another step. And wow, I can see what I need to do next. If I add the second row to the third row, I think I'll have the thing in the matrix in row echelon form. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'll do another step. Replace the third row of A with the third row. Well, instead of minus half the first row, I'm going to say plus the second row. Now let me modify the code. The third row of A equals, we don't need the negative 1/2 anymore. I'll delete that and delete the multiplication sign. We just need the second row plus the third row. And sure enough, my final step is in row echelon form. That's great. It's so exciting that I want to share it with my teacher. And you'll notice on the right here, right underneath this button that you use all the time, which puts it in Octave, there's a share button. And if I click share, and if I click permalink, this is really a nice feature. What it has done, it has changed the URL so that if I copy that URL and paste it anywhere, I can send it to my instructor or when I turn in my homework or whatever. Or anyways, anyone on another website that has that long URL, that permalink, can see my code and see my little experiment that I just did. So this is a great way for sharing work. We just wanted to make you aware of it. Enjoy.